Hello, welcome to this video training. In this training, we're going to show you how to create and manage product on Odoo 17. This is one of the most important training that you need to pay attention to, not just on how to create product, but the tips that I'm going to give to you in order to be able to manage your product effectively. Now, so on the database, you can create product from so many places. You can create product from sales because product is a central thing in your organization. When I'm talking about product, I'm talking about product and services. So the reason why your company exists is because you have a good product and services that you offer to your customers. That's why you created the company in the first place. So if you go to sales, you will be able to see product. You go to purchase, you can also create product. If you go to accounting app, look at the customer section, you can create products, create and manage product. And then look at the vendors part, you can also manage product. And then there are other places as well, but we're going to use inventory, which is the home of products. So I'll open the inventory. So how to create product services, you go to inventory. If you don't have inventory, let's say your business is not dealing with any inventory items, so you just go to sales or purchase or accounting and create your product. But I will use inventory to demonstrate this lesson. So inventory, so first thing is how to create product. You go to inventory, product menu, and then the drop down, you can select product. Then you see the list of products that exist. Because I'm in the inventory, the product that is first served by Odoo to me is the inventory product. You will not find services at the default view. So if you want to see services that are also product, you can remove this filter on the search box right here. So if I remove that filter, you can see other services. So by the way, expense head, what we call expense category, is also a product on Odoo database. All right, so let's do inventory product right now. So I'll go to product, and then new products. Now I'm going to use a product like table to create the product, to show you how to create product. So I'll use dining table. And if I'm doing buying and selling of dining table, then I will just tick that can be sold and I can purchase it because I want to buy and sell. But if I'm a manufacturing company that produces dining table, I can sell it, but I don't need to purchase it because I'm going to manufacture those items. Now, if I'm a rental business person and I rent table, I can check here that this dining table is for rent, so I can help rent it out to my customers. Then also in the next section here, which is one of the most important part of this form, is this product type. This is where you decide, or you inform Odoo that this is my kind of product. So I'll show you the basic 3 product types. We have consumable, services, and storable. Now, because I'm creating this product from inventory, then my default product type is a storable product. But if I create this product from purchase or sales or accounting, my default product type will be consumable. So storable product are product you store, you count it, you track it, and then you get to know the balance. How many did I buy? How many did I use? And then how many is left in store? You want to get that number, then it has to be storable product. Then also, if it's a service, so let's say installation of dining table, that would be a service. That will not be a storable product. Now consumables are things you buy and use, you don't track them. If you click here, you will see the description of that particular type of service. Consumable are physical products for which you don't manage the inventory level. They are always available, right? So for this, I will choose storable. Then the order quantity is also very important. This is a policy. If you have a policy that if you buy this table from vendor, until if you don't receive this table into your warehouse, you will not pay any vendor. So you can put it on the delivered quantity. But the order quantity are you can buy and pay now, or you can receive and pay later. So I'll keep it at the order quantity. The unit of measurement, this table I'm buying and selling, so it's to be units, right? Now if you are using other kind of materials, maybe you bought it in liters or whatever kind of unit of measurement, in meters, in inches, whatever, we do support all of that. So the service, of course, you can see days and then other things as well. So that's the unit of measurement. Then moving on, I would like to sell this table at 300,000, and I bought this table at 290. That's 280,000, and then I have different categories for my different kind of product. So I can have different goods, so I'll just use this finished good as the product. And then if this table has serial or a reference number, like ID or codes, I can provide the codes right here. Then if it's something I sell on POS, or I use barcode to bring it in or to take it out, I can provide the barcode number right here. And then of course the product template tags is here, internal information, and so on and so forth. You can create if this product is for repairs, because there's a repair apps here. You might not see it in your own database. Now, so moving to sales tab, we can provide the sales description of this particular dining table, and then I can provide optional products. Optional products could be something like chair. So if anybody's buying dining table, there could also be dining chair, or maybe flower or something like that. If I'm selling this dining table at the shop, a retail shop, I can enable it to be on a POS, so I can sell it via POS. Then we can set different warning about these products, maybe block a message warning. Anytime anybody wants to sell this product, there should be a warning to the users. Then I can also add the vendor that supplies this table. Even if I don't have the vendors, the system will automatically add the vendors for me as I keep purchasing the table. Now remember, all other things you may want to track is so this table, we buy it and we are selling it. If we are not buying and we manufacture, then we can select manufacture. If we are getting it from manufactured by a subcontractor, we can also provide that route. So in the next another video, we'll be able to take care of all of this manufacturing and the routing. Now traceability, if this table has serial number, I will say track by serial number or track by batch number. Now I can sell this table in multiple packages. So let's say I'm selling it in, so like 5 of this table will come with a different price. If the customer is buying 10, there's a discount and all of those, so I can set up those packaging. But actually packaging is be able to bring in different items. So let's say you're selling bottled water, one bottled water, there's a price for it, and if this client buys 12, which is 1 dozen, 1 pack, then there will be another price for packs. So that helps. Okay, so in accounting, some people want to have an income and expense account for this product, so that anytime you're selling this product, it will route it to the income and expense account. Okay, so that's how to create the product. You can also add your product images here. So let me see if I have any image of a table. I would like to add right there now. Okay, so I have where is it? Okay, so I used to have it here. I think I have it here. So I'll bring in this table, and then you see that the table has been added. I can go ahead and save my product. That product has been saved. Now, what I want you to also note is that each of the product has its own profile or folder. So this is basically like a folder of the product. You can see how many is on hand, if there's any documentation, any extra pricing, the forecast, then you can see, you can track the in and out of this product with ordering level. You don't want it to be lower than this minimum level or higher than that maximum level. It could be added to bill of materials. Is it added to bill of material? Like you see, no. And then you could do a quality checkpoint for when you purchase this item, and then the storage capacity, how many has been sold, how many has been purchased, all of them, the system will track them directly to this. So if I go back, it's better to go back from here. You don't need to go back from here. So if you click it, it takes you all the way back to the dashboard. So now I'll click on my product, so you can see my dining table and then 0 on hand. So that's how to create a product, the same way you create your service product or consumable product. Now, if you have any question, feel free to drop it right there in the comment of this video page, or you get in touch with us if you need further assistance. By the way, I forgot to show you that I forgot to give you the tips. Now, if you've created this dining table and then you select storable product, you may not be able to switch it anymore to service or consumable after you've done transaction. You will not be able to change unit of measurement. So these things are very, very important to decide upfront. So those are the tips I want to give to you right now. So if you have any question, please feel free to get in touch with us. We are always available to provide support. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye bye.